This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the global cooperation. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a global emergency. There have been many reports of rioting all across every country in the world. This is likely due to the new Children's Online Privacy Protection Act update on YouTube, which disabled comments, live chat, notifications, and community tabs. People are looting and rioting all across the planet due to this new update. Over 750 million people across the world have participated in the riots. All residents on planet Earth are advised to immediately shelter in place. Close and lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating and air conditioning units, close all fireplace dampers, and seal any cracks on doors or windows with tape, damp clothing, or damp towels. Do not participate in the riots. You will be arrested. Stay tuned for more information on this extremely dangerous situation. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasts and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is WTGX. We will continue to serve the Tulsa, Oklahoma area. If you are not in this local area, tune out of stations providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Tulsa, Oklahoma area. Do not use your telephone. All telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an emergency action termination. The riots that happened across the world due to the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act update on YouTube has ended. Police across the world have successfully arrested the rioters. However, YouTube is now shut down until further notice due to this riot. Over 345 million people have been arrested for destruction of property across the world. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. We may now switch to regular programming.